friends, in this video I will share with you a very useful remedy for treating asthma, cough and lungs problems. This useful remedy was prepared by our grandmother, so please stay with me. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification of new videos, and also like and share the video with your friends and family.
Many people have different problems with the lungs, and the most common are asthma, bronchitis and various types of coughing. The problem with the lungs are caused by infection, allergies and smoking. I bring for you the well-known cure among people for these problems, especially for asthma as well as for lung and heart problems. The remedy was prepared by our grandmothers, and according to many experiences, they knew what they were doing. Things you need for remedy: half kilogram of onion, half kilogram of sugar, 2 lemons, 1.5 liter of water, 7 tablespoons of honey. How to prepare the remedy? First of all, heat the sugar in a metal bowl and stir until it changes its color. And then add the chopped onion, fry it a bit and add the water. Cook everything. The water should boil on medium heat until 1/3 of water evaporate. Then let it cool off. Add the juice of 2 squeezed lemons and the honey and stir everything well until it is completely smooth. Let it sit for some time and then strain the mixture from the onion pieces and keep it in a glass of water. How to use this mixture? You should take 1 tablespoon of drink before every meal until the whole amount is spent. If it is necessary, you should prepare a new mixture and repeat the process until the lungs are healed. Children should take a teaspoon of drink before every meal. It must be noted that be sure that you are not allergic to onions.